Hi students, welcome to our maths class. So now let us continue our algebraic expressions chapter, which is very important chapter for your higher classes and even very interesting chapter. And so in the first two classes we studied all the definitions about everything, all the concepts, and next class we studied about how to add two algebraic expressions, and yesterday's class I explained you how to subtract one algebraic expression from the other. How to subtract one algebraic expression from the other. So we solved many examples and I hope you maybe understood that concept. Now today I am going to explain you about multiplication of algebraic expressions. How to multiply one algebraic expression with another algebraic expression. It is very simple. In addition and subtraction there was some confusion to select the like terms. Like term is added with like term. Like term is subtracted with like term. X square terms, xy terms. Xy terms, xy terms. Y square terms, y square terms. Or y cube terms, y cube terms. We selected that like terms. But in multiplication there is no such confusion. Simply we can multiply. Even unlike terms also we can multiply. So that is a simple process in multiplication. So how to multiply the algebraic expressions? This is our fifth class in the lecture number 5. So multiplication, you know, 5 into 4. 5 into 4 how much? 20. Now 5x into 2x. 5x into 2x. How to multiply? In plus or minus we have to take x common. In plus or minus we can take something common using that distributive property. But if it is multiplication we cannot take something common. See, in suppose if 5x plus 2x, in this we can take x common. If x is taken common, this 5 remains here, 2 remains. This is called distributive property. You studied in the lower classes. Even if it is minus also, we can take x common. 5 write here and a minus symbol and 2 we write here. That is the distributive property. But in multiplication, it is not applicable. So how to multiply? Simply you multiply coefficient with coefficient. That means this constant with constant. 5 into 2 you multiply. 5 into 2 you multiply. X into x you multiply. Like this. Constant or coefficient is multiplied with the coefficient. Variable is multiplied with the variable. Don't confuse with the multiplication symbol and x. 5 into 2, 10. 5 into 2, 10. X into x is x square. X into x is x square. We studied this concept. A power m into a power n is a power m plus 1. We completed exponents and powers chapter. So when two variables are multiplied and if it is same variable, when in multiplication powers are added. So what is x power here? 1. Here x power is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. X into x is x square. So 10 into x square is 10x square. That's all. No further simplification. 10 into x square, 10x. This is the multiplication. Actually here I wrote full steps, but directly also you can write multiply coefficient with coefficient. 5 into 2, 10. X into x, x square. That's all. 5 into 2, 10, x into x, x square. Simple. This is multiplication. Multiply these two. First expression I am writing into multiplication means multiply. This is the symbol for multiplication. Into 7xy cube. I am multiplying one algebraic expression with another algebraic expression. How to multiply? Coefficient is multiplied with the coefficient. X square multiplied with x. Coefficient is multiplied with coefficient, x square multiplied with x, same variable terms I am writing in a separate bracket. So here also same variable terms I am writing separately. I am writing constants, that is coefficients, in one bracket, variable x variable in one and y variable in another. But multiplication. See, instead of writing all these steps directly also you can write, that also I will explain. Now, 3 into 7, 21. X square into x, how much? We studied how to multiply these variables in the exponents and powers chapters, that is 4th chapter we completed, and in that if bases are same, in multiplication powers are added. What is x power here? 2. See this concept, a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. I explained this concept. Concept a power m into a power n is a power m plus n. So here also a x power 2, x power 1. Powers are added. 2 plus, what is the power here? 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. 2 plus 1 is 3. Same formula. Bases are same. Y. Multiplication, powers are added. What is the power here? If there is nothing means 1. Y power how much? 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3 is 4. 1 plus 3 is 4. So 21 into x cube into y power 4. We can't simplify this as it is. 21 into x cube, 21x cube only. X cube into y power 4, x cube into y power 4. We can't multiply these two because if bases are same, we can simplify by adding the powers. So see, x square into x cube is, bases are same, powers are added, 2 plus 3, 5, x power 5. We can simplify like this. X power 2 into x power 3 is 2 plus 3, 5, x power 5 we can write. But what is x square into y cube? What is x square into y cube? We can't simplify it. Same we will get. Same. No simplification. If it is same variable, powers are added. Different variables, we can't add the powers. Then what is the next step? Same we have to write. No change. Same x square y cube means x square y cube. But here, same variable, add the powers. This is the formula. So 21 x cube y power 4. So no further simplification. This is the answer. This is the way of multiplying one algebraic expression with another algebraic expression. How to multiply these two? See here. How to multiply? First solution. Minus 2x square y power 5. This is the first algebraic expression. Multiplication means this is the multiplication. Second. Multiplying one algebraic expression with another algebraic expression. So first expression I wrote here, second expression I wrote here. If we have to add, write plus symbol between these two. Subtraction means minus symbol. Multiplication means multiplications. Now, multiplication means we multiply the coefficient with coefficient. Same x terms we can simplify. Same variable terms we can simplify. So minus 2 is here into 7. Constants, coefficients I wrote separately into. I will write x square terms in this. X square into x. X square into x. Into y terms. Y power 5 into y power 10. Y power 5 into y power 10. Y terms here, x terms here, constants, coefficients here. 2 into 7 is 14. 2 7 the 14, but minus into plus is minus 14. Bases are same. In multiplication, powers are added. These two are same bases. So use this formula. X power is 2. Here there is no power, means it is 1. So 2 plus 1 is 3. 2 plus 1 is 3. Bases are same. In multiplication, powers are added. 5 plus 10 is 15. Add the powers. M plus n. Don't multiply 5 into 10, 50. Don't write like this. If it is multiplication, y bases are same, powers are added. 5 plus 10, 15. Minus 14 x cube y power 15. This is the way of multiplying two algebraic expressions. Write down. Now, I will take more monomials, more than 2, multiply these 3. Multiply 3 algebraic expressions, 3 monomials. See, one term, one term, one term. So this is having one term, this is one term, this is one term. So 3 algebraic expressions, or we can call it as 3 monomials. An algebraic expression having only one term is also called monomial. So multiplying these 3. How to multiply? You know how to multiply. This is first monomial, first expression into second, into third. Multiplying these 3 algebraic expressions. First expression into, second expression into, third expression.